When the days are cold and the cards all fold and the saints we see are all made of gold.
When your dreams they fail and the ones we hail are the worst of all, and the bloods run stale.
I wanna hide the truth, I wanna shelter you, but with the beast inside, there's nowhere we can hide. No matter what we breed, we still are made of greed. This is my kingdom come, this is my kingdom come. When you feel my heat, look into my eyes. It's where my demons hide, it's where my demons hide.
Don't get too close, it's dark inside.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah, ooh, yeah. When the day is said and done, in the middle of the night and you're fast asleep, my love, stay awake looking at your beauty, telling myself I'm the luckiest man alive. Cause so many times I was certain you was gonna walk out of my life. Why you take such a hold of me, girl, when I'm still trying to get my act right? What is the reason when you really could have any man you want? I don't see what I have to offer. I should have been a season, guess you could see I have potential. Do you know you're my miracle? Oh yeah, I'm like a statue, stuck staring right at you. Got me frozen in my tracks, so amazed how you take me back each and every time I look alive. Statue, stuck staring right at you. So when I'm lost for words every time I disappoint you, it's just cause I can't believe that you're so beautiful. Stuck like a statue, not lose you, no. Stuck like a statue. Ask myself, why are you weaving with me? After all the shit I put you through, why did you make your heart so with me? It's like you're living in honey, you. But baby, your love is so warm, it makes my shield melt down, down. And every time we both at war, you make me come around. What is the reason when you really could have